Hi there, this is Steve Miley, the Market Chartist, on behalf of ForexTraders.com, and we're now looking at the Aussie dollar and New Zealand dollars, both against the US dollar in here. The US dollar rallying against commodity currencies, particularly Aussie and New Zealand dollar, in the wake of a risk-off scenario, equity markets selling off on the back of potential trade wars damaging these exporting nations, the Australian and New Zealand economies, and the currencies getting damaged in here, particularly against the US dollar. US dollar is enjoying a slight flight to quality bid in here as well. Not so much against maybe the yen, certainly not the yen. Dollar yen continuing to go lower in here, but a slight flight to quality, holding in relatively well versus the euro in here, the dollar. But certainly Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, negative pressures in here, despite a more dovish tone from the FOMC. Downside pressures back on Wednesday, that was the FOMC, but downside pressures very much intact. The market resuming a downside path after the rebound through the Fed. And the previous push down through 77.10 in here for the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, signaling a more bearish tone, a bigger intermediate term topping pattern, and sees downside threats to lower targets over here towards 76, 75, maybe even towards 74 handles as we go through late March through the Easter holiday going on into April. New Zealand dollar not quite so negative. We did push below this 71.75 level to 71.51 just going into the Fed, and then popped higher after the Fed, and that did signal a potential double top pattern in here through 71.75. But because we rebounded post Fed, we're going to give the market the benefit of the doubt. We certainly see more of a range theme between 71.51 and 73.55, but our bias is for a pushback lower in here, and a break below 71.51 would then confirm the double top pattern and see deeper correction risk also for the New Zealand dollar as we move forward through late March into April. This has been Steve Miley, Market Chartist, on behalf of ForexTraders.com, and I wish you a great trading week.